Yes, thank you everyone. Right. Right. Next heading. Yes, please. Uh, yes, please, Nana. Your quantitative ability, permutations, combinations, and probability completed. Time and work also completed. Next, another important topic in quantitative aptitude. Another important topic in quantitative aptitude, number system. One of the most important topic in quantitative aptitude. You may write any placement exam, minimum 5 marks only, number system. Simplifications also belongs to simplifications. Nana. Simplifications. This subtopic is also belongs to number system. Nana. Here, one of the most important topic in quantitative aptitude, a number system or properties of a number span. Right heading, first subtopic, a number system subtopics, number of zeros, last digit, remainder concept, LCM and HCF, series. Series means arithmetic progression, comma geometric progression, logarithm. Even simplification is also belongs to number system. Simplification, this is a topic very important to TCS Ninja. TCS Ninja. In TCS Ninja, minimum 5 to 6 marks only simplification topic. But very simple. Here is sets and indices, a cube, a plus b whole cube, and algebraic. The type of questions are belongs to simplification. And the number system is also important to TCS Ninja. We can expect minimum 5 marks only properties of numbers. One of the most important topic in TCS test pattern. And also you may write any competitive exam except Capgemini. You may write any placement exam, minimum 5 marks only, number system. Here next my target, time, distance and speed. These are main topics in quantitative aptitude. Okay, right. Yes, heading. Here topic name, I think time and work material, permutations, combinations, and material. The two materials today I will forward to your WhatsApp group. Don't worry about the topics, but I explained very clear time and work topic, and also permutations, combinations, and probability. I covered the two chapters in quantitative aptitude. This to- today topic also. I think pending only time and work material, permutations, combinations, and probability material, and today topic. After completion of my session, these three topics material I will forward to your WhatsApp group. These PPTs I will forward to your WhatsApp group. Okay, right, Nana. Please write heading. Yes, Nana. Please write heading. Your module name, quantitative aptitude. Chapter name, number system. First chapter in quantitative aptitude. Yes, the topic name, number of zeros. Topic name, number of zeros. Next, side heading examples. Nana. Yes, please, Nana. Write one example. Yes, write first example number one, please, Nana. Here, type 1, only two models. Type 1 and type 2, there is no formula here. Questions are based on only thinking power. The type of questions are belongs to number of zeros. Nana. Right, please write first question number 1. Find the number of find the number of zeros at the end of find the number of zeros at the end of 1 to the power of 20 into 2 to the power of 20 into 3 to the power of 70 into 7 to the power of 30 into 5 to the power of 30 into 9 to the power of 90. 9 to the power of 90 question mark. Right, option A 20, option B 90, option C 30, option D 70. This type of questions are belongs to number of zeros concept. This type of questions are belongs to number of zeros concept. Okay. Yes, please, Nana. Yes, what is the answer, Nana? Can you guess the solution? Yes, which option is correct? It may be correct or not. No problem. Yes, which option is correct, Nana? Type 1. First example. This topic depending only logic. One topic depending one logic. If you know that logic, that entire topic completed. Here one topic depending only one method. One topic depending only one method. Okay? Yes, please. All of you listen. Nana. Very good, Nana. Very good. Okay? Right. మీరు వరిగాకండి అది మనకు కరెక్టా రాంగా దట్ ఈస్ సెకండరీ కేస్ నాన్న ప్లీజ్ లీజన్ నాన్న ఎస్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ వెరీ గుడ్ నాన్న లిఖిత గుడ్ గుడ్ ఓకే ఎస్ ప్లీజ్ ప్రవళిక ఎస్ ప్లీజ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ లీజన్ అమ్మ ఓకేనా రైట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీ వన్ అన్న వెరీ గుడ్ రైట్ ఎస్ ప్లీజ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ లీజన్ నాన్న ప్లీజ్ ఫస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది టాపిక్ నాన్న ప్లీజ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ లీజన్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నాన్న remaining questions your duty my duty only to explain concept of the topic that is my duty nana examples only your duty then only this topic concept as well as preparation completed you no need to prepare again just listen here perfectly then at a time concept completed and also preparation completed okay right please listen nana yes listen nana a topic name number of zeros nana at the end of and by using product nana yeah, but this is called product this is application only product but not addition please listen nana at a calculate number of end zeros by using product operator nana listen suppose example చూడండి find the number of end zeros at the end of 97,000 is dash nana find the number of end zeros at the end of 97,000 is dash nana. In 97,000 contains end zeros only 3. So answer 3 nana. First question answer 3 nana. Okay na? Very good. Second example listen nana. Find the total number of end zeros at the end of 10,700 is dash nana. Find the number of zeros at the end of 10,700 is dash nana. A 10,700 contains end zeros only 2 nana. End zeros only 2. But total number of zeros 3. But this topic depending only end zeros. That is only 2. This is called number of zeros concept. And here concentrate only end zero but not total number of zeros. Suppose example. Find the total number of zeros. That is highly impossible to calculate solution. Find end zeros that can possible by using logic of the problem nana. Okay, logic of the topic nana. Okay, yes nana. A target only calculate only end zeros by using product nana. By using product listen nana. By using product if you want to zero nana, if you want to zero by using multiplication operator 10 is multiplied by any operator we get end zero otherwise zero not possible amma. 10 multiples only possible suppose amma, 10 into something 1 0 and next to 10 square into something 2 zeros next to 10 cube into something 3 zeros and so on 10 power n into something n zeros that means if you want to zero 10 is multiplied by any number, we get 0. Otherwise, 0 not possible, Nana. Otherwise, 0 not possible. If you want to end 0, 10 is 10 or 10 multiples multiplied by any number, something number, we get 0. Otherwise, 0 is not possible, Amma. Suppose above example 1, 2, 3, 7, 5, 9, 10 not available. If 10 not available, consider 10 multiples. 10 multiples 2 and 5. 10 multiples 2 and 5. And just consider only 10 multiples. Other numbers are blindly negligible. Here 1 negligible. Next 3 negligible. 7 negligible. 9 negligible. Consider only multiples of 2 and 5 because 10 multiples. but here calculate only 10 only. And number of tens, that is called number of zeros nana. Here consider only multiples of 2 and 5. Other numbers are blindly negligible. Suppose 1 into something 1 only, 1 into something something only, 3 into something something only, 7 into something, 9 into something, and that numbers multiplied by any number, 0 not possible. If you want to 0, 2 and 5 combination compulsory. If you want to, yes, please, Syed. Syed, please wait a few minutes, Nana. Please wait a few minutes. After completion of this model, please ask me. Definitely, I will explain your problem meaning. First, listen complete concept of the topic, because that problems already covered. And the next questions, next examples, you see that models covered or not. If not covered, please ask me. I will explain that problem solution. First, you listen complete concept of the topic. Okay? Yes. Yes, please. Yes, Nana. Okay? Right. Listen, Nana. Yeah, 10 nana. Consider 10 multiples. Consider 10 multiples 2 and 5 nana. 2 and 5 nana. 2 and 5. Okay. Yes, other numbers are negligible nana. Yeah, next count nana. Total number of twos nana. Total number of twos 20 and total number of fives 30 nana. Total number of fives 30 nana. Yeah, next 5 to the power of 30 also written as nana. 5 to the power of 20 and 5 to the power of 10 nana. If you want to 0, 2 and 5 combination compulsory. Single 2 not possible. Single 5 not possible. If you want to 0, 2 and 5 combination is compulsory. And single 5 not possible 0. Next, a power m into b power m, ab power m. Ab power means 10 to the power of 20 nana. And 10 to the power of 20 into something nana. And 10 to the power of 20 into 5 to the power of 10 into 1 to the power of 20 into 3 to the power of 70 into 7 to the power of 30 into 9 to the power of 90. And 10 to the power of 20 is multiplied by any number. End zeros possible only 20. Therefore, answer 20, option A only correct. This is about logic of the problem, Nana. Okay. Yes, once again, please. Very good. Srinivas Reddy. Good, exactly correct, Nana. Okay. Once again, please, all of listen, Nana. All of listen, Nana. Please write me. Listen, Nana. Write note, please, Nana. Note. Please write note, Amma. Nana, note procedure of the topic. Once again, please, all of listen, Nana. Easy. Once again, please, all of listen. Here method, Nana. First step number 1, Nana. Here complete problem convert into a multiples of 2 and multiples of 5. Other numbers are negligible, Nana. And I consider only multiples of 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These are considerable. And multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. They consider only 2 multiples and 5 multiples. Other multiples are negligible. This is first step. Second step, count total number of twos, total number of fives. Second step, total number of twos and total number of fives. Next step 3, total number of zeros. A total number of twos 20, total number of fives 30, total number of twos, total number of fives. Step number 3, number of zeros is equal to lowest power of 2 and 5. Which is the lowest power? Comparing powers of 2 and 5, which is the lowest power? That is your answer. A number of 2s 20, number of 5s 30, 20, 30, lowest power 20, then answer option A only correct. This is the procedure of the topic, problem on topic or problem on. Okay? Yes, Nana. Please, Nana. Right. Side edit note, note. సరే అయ్యో మొత్తం పోయిందా రైట్ నోట్ అమ్మ నోట్ నోట్ అండ్ నోట్ నోట్ ఎన్బటి నోట్ రైట్ ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ 1 రైట్ ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 1 complete problem complete problem convert into a convert into a multiples of 2s multiples of 2s and multiples of 5s. Complete problem convert into a multiples of 2s and multiples of 5s. In bracket, other numbers are negligible. Other numbers are negligible. Other numbers are negligible. Step number 1. Step number 2. Count count total number of twos, total number of twos, and total number of fives. Total number of twos and total number of fives. Step number 3. Number of zeros is equal to number of zeros is equal to lowest power of lowest power of 2 and 5. The comparing powers of 2 and 5, which is the lowest power, that is your answer. Which is the lowest power, that is your answer. This is about procedure of the topic, Nana. Okay, yes, first example completed, amma. First example, consider only a 2 to the power of 20, no, 2 to the power of 20 into 5 to the power of 30. Number of 2's 20, number of 5's 30. 20 comma 30, lowest power only 30, lowest power only 20. Option A only correct. That is first question solution, Nana. Okay, right. Yeah, next, please. Second example, Anna, please. All of listen. Second, a third question onwards. That is your duty, Nana. Okay, please. All of listen. Now, clarity about number of zeros topic, Nana. Please. In the first method, Amma, complete problem convert into a multiples of 2 and multiples of 5. Other numbers are negligible. 2 is not multiple of 2 and 5. 7 is not multiple of 2 and 5. A 3 is not multiple of 2 and 5. 9 is not multiple of 2 and 5. But consider 2 multiples and 5 multiples. 14 2 multiple, 35 5 multiple. Consider 2 and 5 multiples only. Other numbers are negligible, Nana. Yeah, next 14 power 30. 14 power 30 means is also written as 2 to the power of 30 into 7 to the power of 30. Yeah, next to 35 all to the power of 20. 35 all to the power of 20 means 5 to the power of 20 in 5 to the power of 20 into 5 to the power of 20 into 7 to the power of 20. But 7 to the power of 30 negligible. 7 to the power of 20 negligible. A consider total number of twos. A total number of twos 2 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 30. In a total number of twos, a 2 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 30. Total number of fives, a 5 to the power of 25 into 5 to the power of 20. A total number of twos, total number of twos 40. A total number of fives 45. Yeah, next 22, 40, 5, 45. Lowest power only 40. Then option C only correct. This is about a second example solution. A second example solution. Very simple. My technique very simple. Just you apply that condition. That is your answer. Yes, that is your answer. This question answer 40 only correct. But consider two multiples. 2 into 7. 7 negligible. You have 35. 5 into 7. 7 negligible. A number of 2's 40. Number of 5's 45. 40 comma 45. Lowest power only 40. Option C only correct. Suppose Nana, this same example, here suppose into 10 to the power of 30 into 10 to the power of 30. 10 to the power of 30 means a 2 to the power of 30 into 5 to the power of 30. A number of 2 70, number of 5 75, lowest power 70, 70 only correct. Again 10 also convert into a 2 and 5 multiples. 10 again convert into a 10 again convert into a 2 and 5 multiples. A target only complete problem you need to convert into a multiples of 2 and multiples of 5. Count total number of 2's and total number of 5's. Comparing powers of 2 and 5, which is the lowest power, that is your answer. This example lowest power only 40. That answer is option C. C only correct. This is about a concept of the topic. Yes, clear, Nana? Method clear or any doubts, please? Hello. Yes, can you respond about this topic? 1 mark completed your exam. Here now two types, Nana. First type, first type without factorial. Second with factorial. Only we have two concepts. If you know these two concepts perfectly in your exam, 1 mark completed. There is no formulas here. There is no formulas here. Questions are based on only logic of the topic. If you know that logic, then problem that this topic very easy. One topic depending only one method. Okay. Yes. Good, Nana. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Right, Amma. Yeah. Third question, Amma. That is your duty, Nana. Please. Third question, your duty, please. Third question, please. Very good, Divya. Good, good, good. Yes, third one, your duty, please. Just 30 seconds only. That is your target. Check your watch. One question, only 30 seconds, because you are my students. You spend only 30 seconds, not more than 30 seconds. If you take 1 minute, then your preparation is very low level. And your weak in calculation part on it. Yes, 1 minute only. Here we want to select the option. Don't want to procedure. All or multiple choice based questions. Just click the option. That's enough. Yes, very good. Please speed. Yes, speed, all of you. అమ్మ అందరూ చెయ్యండి దయచేసి ప్లీజ్. దిస్ టాపిక్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ యువర్ కెరియర్. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ యువర్ కెరియర్. ఎస్ ఎస్ ప్లీజ్ స్పీడ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్లీజ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. అమ్మ అందరూ చేయండి ప్లీజ్. వెరీ సింపుల్. జస్ట్ టు అప్లై సేమ్ లాజిక్ ఇయర్ ఆల్సో. ఎస్ నా ఎస్ ఈజీ. ఎస్ ఈజీ. Just 30 seconds only, not more than 30 seconds. Very good. Okay, 65 only correct, please. Nana, here 9 negligible, 23 negligible, and the only 1 negligible. Nana. Here 4 is also written as 2 square and 2 to the power of 40. Next, 6 means is equal to 2 into 3, 2 to the power of 20 into 3 to the power of 30. 15 means 5 into 15, 5 into 15 into 3 into 15. Sir, 5 into 5 to the power of 25, 3 to the power of 25. Yes, next total number of twos. Total number of twos, Nana. Sorry, total number of twos. A total number of twos, 2 to the power of 10, Nana. A 2 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 40 into 2 to the power of 20. Total number of fives, 5 to the power of 20 into 5 to the power of 25. Number of twos is 70. Number of fives is 65. 70 comma 65. Lowest to 65. Option D only correct. Yes, third example is easy. A 4 means 2 square. 4 to the power of 20 means also written as 2 to the power of 40. Suppose 8 to the power of 10. 8 to the power of 10 is also written as 2 to the power of 30. Next, 6 to the power of 20 means 2 to the power of 20. 15 all to the power of 25 means 5 to the power of 25. Total number of twos, total number of fives, number of twos 70, number of fives 65, lowest power 65. Option D only correct. This is about third example solution. Okay, good, very good, Nana. Right, next, Nana. Example number 4, Amma, please. Example number 4, important. Example number 4, important. Put star mark, Nana. Example number 4, important. Put star mark. Yes, speed. Example number 4. Example number 4. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, speed. Example number 4. What is the answer? Yes, speed. Just 30 seconds only. 30 seconds only. All of you, right option name only. Right option name only. Speed. 30 seconds only, please, all of you. Respond which option is correct. Right option name only. I don't want procedure. I don't want calculation. I want only option name. Yes, speed. Yes, very good. Excellent. Excellent. Good, good. Okay, na? Yes, please, Nana. Yes, please, Nana. This question answer, Nana. Option C only correct, Nana. Here consider only number of twos, Nana. Number of twos, Nana. Total number of twos, Nana. This is called 2 to the power of 8. This is called 2 to the power of 24, Amma. Total number of twos, Nana. A total number of twos 34. Number of fives only 5. Then lowest power 5, option C only correct amma. Sorry. Yeah, this is 2 to the power of 6 kada. And the total number of 2 is 14 amma. Once again, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 8, 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 24. Total number of 2 is 40. Number of 5 is 5. Lowest power 5, option C only correct. Option C only correct. Okay. Yes, please. All of you listen amma. Please listen. Winand. Simple anna. Just you spend 1 minute with me, then one mark completed. Otherwise, biscuit. Please listen, Anna. Please listen. In an important Amma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is called series. Series problem. Any series question, any continuous series problem, number of twos is always more than number of fives, Nana. Number of twos is always more than, sorry, number of twos is always more than number of fives, Nana. Number of twos is always more than number of fives, Nana. In your exam, for continuous series, problems are given. Just calculate only number of fives. No need to calculate number of twos, because this topic depending only lowest power. For continuous series problems, lowest power exists only 5 but not 2. Series type of questions are given, just you calculate only number of i's, that is called number of zeros. Reason, for continuous series problems, number of twos is always more than number of i's, but our topic exists only lowest power, that is possible only 5. Above example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is called series. The type of questions are given. Consider only 5 multiples. Find only number of 5's. A number of 5's only 5. Send answer 5. 5 only correct. You no need to check number of. Don't waste your time. Short method. Just calculate only number of 5's. That is your answer. This is about a series concept. Okay. Right. Please write note. 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 First point. Any continuous series, any continuous series problems, any continuous series problems, number of twos is always more than, number of twos is always more than number of fives. Number of twos is always more than number of fives. Number of twos is always more than number of fives. Number of fives. Next, second point. For continuous series problems, lowest power exists only 5. Lowest power exists only 5, but not 2. Lowest power exists only 5, but not 2. But not 2. Therefore, number of zeros, number of zeros is equal to, number of zeros is equal to number of fives. Number of zeros is equal to number of fives. This is the important note in number of zeros concept. Okay, right. Yeah, next, sorry, fifth example, please. Fifth example, okay, right. Fifth example, please. Important, put 5 stars, also important to get. This example only important to your exam. First, second, third, fourth, only reference purpose, only important. But this is only important to GATE as well as campus placement. This example only, particularly this example only. Yes, please. What is the answer? Yes, what is the answer? Yes, yes, what is the answer? Yes, దయచేసి మిస్టేక్ చేయకండి. Mistake చేయకండి. That option also available. That is not correct answer. Please once again, C and B not a correct answer. Please all of you verify the solution. But don't do like that. That option also available. Your way correct answer, but not examiner way. Your way only correct answer, but not examiner way. Very good, Adilakshmi. Good. Yes, paid all of you. Don't forget concept of the topic. Don't forget concept. If you don't forget concept of the topic. Here important only concept. Yes, please, all of you. Yes, yes, that option also available. That option also available. Yes, please, Nana. Yes, all of you listen. Yes, Nana, please, all of you listen, Nana. Method easy. Here, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on is called continuous series. Consider only 5 multiples, Nana. Here, 5 multiples up to 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Consider only 5 multiples, Nana. Calculate number of 5s. Here, 5 to the power of 5. It gives 5 zeros. 10 to the power of 10, number of 5s only 10, number of 5s 10. Here 5 into 2, number of 5s 10. Next 15 all to the power of 15, number of 5s 15. 20 all to the power of 20, number of 5s 20. 25 all to the power of 25. 25 also written as 5 to the power of 2, all to the power of 25. Here calculate only number of 5s 50. Therefore total number of 5s is equal to 100. Number of 5s is nothing but number of zeros. Number of zeros is equal to 100. So option A only correct. Option A only correct but not B and C. Once again, please all of you listen. This problem is very, very important to your exam. Sequence models only important to your exam. Here 1, 2, 3, and so on 25 is called continuous series. Calculate only number of fives but not number of twos. Don't waste your time. Here calculate only number of fives 1 to 25. Consider only 5 multiples. Consider only 5 multiples. 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 20 comma 25. 5 to the power of 5 number of 5s. 10 to the power of 10 number of 5s. 15 all to the power of 15 number of 5s. 20 all to the power of 20 number of 5s. 25 all to the power of 25 number of 5s. Therefore total number of 5s is equal to 100. Number of 5s is nothing but number of zeros. Number of zeros is equal to 100. But it target only number of 5s. 25 all to the power of 25. 25 also written as 5 to the power of 2 all to the power of 25. 2 into 25 50. 5 to the power of 50. It gives 50 zeros. Therefore total number of zeros 100. Option A only correct. This model only important to your exam. This logic only important to your exam. Okay? Yes, Nana. Next, last example. Sixth one, Nana. Then type 1 completed, Amma. Type 1 completed, please. Type 1 completed, Amma. Yes, please. Last, next example, Nana. Next example. Next example, Nana. Next example, Nana. Yes, please. All of you. Which option is correct? Which option is correct? Yes, rule number Yashvita Kotla, Divya, Rajeshwari. Please verify the solution. Verify the solution. Very good. Aparna, right? Good, good. Yes, yes, please. Anil also. Koppula Anil. Please, please verify the solution. Yes, please. Verify the solution. Yes, Prasuna. Medi Prasuna. Srinivas Reddy also. Please verify the solution. Srinivas Reddy. Srinivas Reddy. Please verify the solution. Please. Yes, Sai Kumar. Good. Yes, yes, very good. Adilakshmi. Good. Yes, no, no, please. This is very simple, Gada. Very simple. Don't forget that logic. Here important only logic only important. Logic only important. Yes, logic only important, Nana. Please, once again, all of you listen. In a method 71, 72, 73, 74, and so on 79. Series consider only 5 multiples. 71 to 79, 5 multiples, only 7, only 5 multiples, 75, only 5 multiples. This is called 75 all to the power of 5. 71 to 79, 5 multiples, only 75. 75 all to the power of 75. 75 is also written as 25 into 3, but 3 negligible. 25 all to the power of all to the power of 5, 25 all to the power of 5. 25 means also written as 5 to the power of 2 all to the power of 5. 5 into 2 10. Number of 5s is equal 10. Number of zeros 10. Option B only correct. Option B only correct, but not C and D. Yes, Nana, Yashvita and Vinay. Please verify the solution. Easy gada. 71 to 79. 5 multiples only 75. 75 means 25 into 3. 3 negligible. Consider only 25 all to the power of 5. 25 5 to the power of 2. All to the power of 5. 2 into 5 10. Number of 5 is 10. Number of zeros 10. Then answer B only correct. This is about sixth example, Anna. This is about sixth example. And a very, very important. I think important only. Fifth example only important to your exam. Fifth example only important to your exam. Okay. Yes, this is about number of zeros. Type 1 concept. Yet only two types. Type 1 without using factorial. Type 2 using factorial. If you know these two methods perfectly, then 1 mark completed in your exam. One of the most important topic in number system, Nana. Okay. Right. Next, Nana, heading a type 2, Nana. Type 2, model 2. Right. Yes, Ram Subhash. What's the problem? Mullapudi Ram Subhash. What, Nana? Any doubts? Okay. Sure. మాట్లాడొచ్చు. రామ్ సుభాష్. రామ్ సుభాష్.
సార్
ఆ,
ఇన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5 ఒకసారి లాస్ట్ పార్ట్ చెప్తారా సార్? 5 పవర్ 50 తర్వాత
5 పవర్
50.
5 టు ది పవర్ 50 కదా నాన్న. ఇప్పుడు 25 ఓల్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 25 నాన్న. ఓకేనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
25 మీన్స్ 5 టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2 ఓల్
ఎస్
టు ది
సార్.
పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2. 2 ఇంటూ 25 5 టు ది పవర్ 50 అంటే 25 ఓల్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 25. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫైవ్స్ నా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫైవ్స్ ఓన్లీ 50 నాన్న. A total number of i's 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 50 100. Total number of i's 100. Number of zeros 100. Ram
ఓకే సార్.
Subhash.
ఎస్ సార్. ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. Right. Good. Right. Okay. Right, Nana. Second, Nana, next concept number 2. Next concept number 2. Yes, concept number 2. In bracket using factorial. In bracket using factorial. Right. Example. Find the number of zeros at the end of 9 factorial. Right answer. 9 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. Again, factorial is also called series. Calculate only number of i's. Number of i's only 1 5. 1 5 we get 1 0. Then answer 1 only correct. B only correct. Okay. Yes, easy, Nana. Once again. Yes, please. Once again, all of listen. Nana, right, note, note, right, note. Factorial is also called series. Factorial is also called series. Then calculate only number of fives. Then calculate only series problems, calculate only number of fives only. Number of fives is nothing but number of zeros. But above problem 9 factorial is also called series. Series questions calculate only number of fives. 1 to 9 number of fives only 1. 1 0. Option B only correct. Okay. Yes, Nana. Yeah, number 9 important amma. Please star mark. Yes, number 9 important amma. Number 9 important, please. Number 9 important. Put star mark, Nana. Number 9 important. This model only important to your exam. Okay, please, Nana. Find the total number of zeros at the end of 1000 factorial. We know that 1000 factorial is also called continuous series. 1000 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on 1000. In this series, calculate number of eyes. That method lengthy and complex method. 1 minute not sufficient. Then apply the short method. This problem calculate only number of eyes. Calculate number of eyes divisible by 5. Calculate number of twos divisible by 2. Calculate number of threes divisible by 3. Calculate number of 7 divisible by 7 and so on. But this problem indirectly calculate number of eyes then divisible by 5. Each case is divisible by 5. Consider only quotient but not remainder. 5 into 200 remainder 0. 5 into 40 remainder 0. Next 5 into 8 remainder 0. 5 into 1 remainder 3. But consider only quotient but not remainder. Sum of the quotient only answer. Sum of the quotient 40 plus 80 plus 40 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 249. Therefore, 1000 factorial contains a number of 5s 249. Number of 5s is nothing but number of zeros. Number of zeros 249. Option C only correct. This is the method. Short procedure. Simple procedure. A simple procedure. Once again, all of you listen. A divisible by 5. 5 means why divisible by 5 indicate factorial is called series concept. Series concept calculate number of i's. Therefore, divisible by 5. Each case is divisible by 5. Consider only quotient but not remainder. Sum of the quotient only answer. Sum of the quotient 249. Number of i's 249. Number of zeros 249. Option C only correct. This is about this is about procedure of the topic. Simple technique. My technique. Why divisible by 5? Why means your factorial means series concept. That problem depending only number of i's. Number of i's it is divisible by 5. That is the meaning of the problem. Okay. Yes, Nana. Last example, Amma. Number 2. Last example, please. Last example. This is your duty, Nana. Please, Nana. Next, have another session, Nana. At 7 o'clock. Yes, please try to understand my problem. Next, have next session. Some X college. Yes, Nana. Please, last example, Nana. Last example. Yes, last example, Nana. Yes, last example. Please, speed. Last example. Last example. Last example. Yes, what is the answer? Last, what is the answer? Yes, speed. All of you. Yes, all of you. Yes, good. Yes, Nana. Right procedure. 150 by 5. 5 into 30. 5 into 6. 5 into 1. Here 36 plus 1. 37. Option C. C. Okay. 37. 37, not 36, Nana. Bhargavi, 5 into 30, remainder 0. 5 into 6, remainder 0. 5 into 1, remainder 1. Consider quotient but not remainder. 36, 1. 36, 1. 37. Okay. Bhargav, not Bhargavi, Bhargav. Good. No, no, this is about number of zeros, Nana. Please. Any doubts, please? Just I will give 1 minute time. Please, all of you verify 10 questions in number of zeros concept. Please ask me any doubts, Nana. Today covered only one topic. Today covered only one topic. Suppose, Nana, find the number of twos divisible by 2. Find the number of threes divisible by 3. Find the number of 7 divisible by 7 and so on. Each case divisible by 2, 3, 7. Consider only quotient but not remainder. Sum of the quotient only, that is your answer of the given problem. Yes, okay. Yes, please, all of you verify all the problems in number of zeros concept, please. Yeah, Mullapudi, sir, once say how you converted 25 all to the power of 25. What we are M Ram Subhash. And 25 all to the power of 25 కదా నాన్న. 25 అంటే ఏంటిది 5 to the power of 2 5 స్క్వేర్ కదా. ఇప్పుడు 25 all to the power of 25. 25 5 to the power of 5 square 25 5 square all to the power of 25 a power m all power m n all a power mn 2 into 25 50 number of is 50. What year? That is easy kada. General procedure nana, don't confuse general logic. 25 5 to the power of 2 next to apply power 2 into 25 50. Yes, don't confuse, that's why I'm telling. Subhash, yes, clear. Nana, okay na. This concept, there is no formulas here. By using formulas very complex. Yeah, remember the all formulas in mathematics, that is too difficult. Maximum avoid the formulas. But but here important only thinking power. That type of questions important to competitive exams. By using, for suppose time is equal to 10 hours, distance is equal to 100. What about speed? That is meaningless problem. Here, your BTech graduate always thinking logically. The type of questions only important to your exam. Yeah, just to develop your thinking power. That type of questions only important to your exam. Not only aptitude, even technical ability also. If you strong mathematics, then coding easy. If you're weak in mathematics, then coding tough. Because coding means also same as mathematics only. That syntax only different. Remaining part only complete mathematics only. Remaining part, that part completely depending only mathematics part only. So first you're strong in mathematics, then coding easy. Otherwise too difficult. Okay, aptitude is nothing but mathematics. To develop logical thinking or analysis power of a student is called aptitude. A develop logical thinking, and your thinking based questions only important to your exam. You're blindly, I think total 100 percentage, suppose paper nana setting 100 percentage, 20 percentage of the questions are belongs to only direct method without using any formula, without using pen also. But 70 to 80 percentage of the questions are belongs to only logical thinking power of a student. That based questions only important to your exam. You concentrate only that models, then only your exam easy. Okay, got it my point? Right, thank you. Srinivas Reddy, English faculty, join gale. Please wait. No, no. In meantime, please ask me any doubts, Nana. Hello, Ram Subhash. Ram Subhash, are you there? రామ్ సుభాష్ నాన్న, మీకు నేను హోస్ట్ చేస్తాను, మీరు సార్ హోస్ట్ చేస్తారా శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి సార్కి, వర్బల్ సార్కి? బికాజ్ immediately I have session నాన్న, దట్స్ వై. ఓకే, రైట్ రైట్ రైట్. రాము సుభాష్, Yes, thank you everyone, Nana. Yes, please. Okay, right, right. Yes, please. Once again, all of you listen, Nana. Here, permutations, combinations, and probability material, time and work material, today material. Also, I'll forward to your WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes. Thank you, everyone.